Hello everyone and welcome to the episode 10 of my mobile networks overview course. Finally we got to this episode 10. I don't know how many episodes we will continue. Maybe, for example, one day we come to episode 100 or more. But I love to help, I love to share my knowledge, and I will continue this way, hopefully. Okay. In this episode, I want to talk about call control protocols. As the name says to us, call control protocols are the protocols for controlling and managing the calls. Okay, we have some call control protocols, but three most famous of them are ISUP, which is very old, related to signaling system number 7, and it is belonging to SS7, which is very old. 2, BICC, Bearer Independent Call Control Protocol, which is mainly based on IP and related to Tron. And the third one, SIP, which is really popular and famous, and also very simple and widely used in many networks like the VoIP, voice over IP, voice over LTE, and many places. It is widely used also in IMS, IP Multimedia System, which was introduced in release 5 to support VoLTE. Okay, which I will go through that in the next episodes. Okay, till now, let me check that it is recording or not. Okay, so we have ISUP, BICC, and SIP. Call control means a protocol to handle the signaling for call. As I told to you before, we should think about the telecommunication scenarios in two ways: CP and UP, control plane and user plane. This will helps you to understand the advanced telecommunication courses and subjects like what we have in 4G and 5G, the concept CUPS, control and user plane separation. So you have to understand what is control plane and what is user plane. As you can see here, for example, we have two MSC here and one person here. Wanna call a person here, the B number. As I told you, this is the MO scenario, and here is empty. This is calling and this is called. Okay, we have two phase. One phase for signaling, which you can see here, and one phase for bearer. So the call control protocol here is used here to send the signaling to the peer part. For example, this is another scenario. For example, here can be BICC or ISUP or something else, and for example, in some countries PSTN is a little old, so for example here maybe use ISUP, here use BICC or for example SIP. Okay, for more understanding, let me give you an example. Okay, for example, I have a simple SIP call follow here. I choose SIP because SIP is very simple and very similar to our language, or the way that we talk together, because to understand better the meaning of signaling, it is a conversation between two network elements. For example, A wanna talk to B, so what is negotiating between them? But in very simple way, it is signaling. Okay, and I always tell that these two persons have an interface, they have a protocol for sending message between each other, which is signaling, and they have a protocol stack. Okay, so you can see that Alice here wanna call Boris is so we see that some messages are sent to establish the call, which you can see here, media RTP. Here we have the user plane, but before the user plane become established, and after that they want to release, you can see that many steps are done, which are CP. Okay, as you can see, for example, it can be Alice, a user, or an MSC, no difference. Okay, A, B, C. You see that an invite message comes to this B, and this B respectively send this to this part. Okay, it's just an example. We will go through the details in the next episode, but I want to show you what is a call control protocol like. For example, here in SIP we use invite, in the ISUP we use IAM, initial address message, and also in BICC we use IAM. Okay, but as you see here, invite is very similar to our way of talking. I want to invite some person, so I send an invite message to him. He also send this as well. So this will try. So send or you want to buy some time to prevent the timer expiry here. Okay, if you don't understand something, don't worry at all, because it's just an example, and I will dedicate a very detailed course about SIP in the future. Okay, and we'll see that here, because Alice calling Boris here, this phone is ringing, so this ringing will announce to this part to prevent the timer expiration and inform him that the phone is ringing in the other side. So if she answers the call and okay, we'll send to this and respectively to this, an acknowledgement will come, and the media RTP here, the user plane will start, and after talking together, this will send bye for disconnecting the if she disconnect, or if the A party disconnect and wanna terminate the call, it will send the bye and also a bye here, and bye and okay, it will finished successfully. Okay, this is just a big picture, don't worry. I wanna show you in this session that what is a call control protocol like. Okay, in the next episodes we will go in more details and say some other examples. Also we will tell you something about BICC and some real scenario examples. Okay, hope it was useful. Hope it would be useful and informative for you, and see you in the next episodes. For any question or query, feel free to contact me via my email address. Bye.